In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your Epson projector having a blurry screen. So step number 1, we're going to adjust the focus ring. So locate the focus ring on the projector lens. So you're going to locate the focus ring where it is, and it should be on the projector lens obviously. Then slowly rotate it while projecting an image until it becomes sharp and clear. So if that doesn't work, we can adjust the projection distance. Make sure the projector is placed within the recommended distance. From the screen, check your model's manual, of course. And being too close or too far can cause blur or distortion basically. So make sure that you actually line it not too far and not too close. You can check, when you do it, you can just check how the picture is going for you, obviously. And when you get the perfect one, just stop there, obviously. Then step number 3, you can also check lens for dirt or smudges. So power off the projector and let it cool. Use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to gently clean the lens. Avoid using harsh chemicals or paper towels, just so you know. So we can also level the projector. Make sure the projector is sitting flat and level. So use the adjustable feet or ceiling mount to align it properly with the screen. Step number 5, we can also correct keystone settings. So press the keystone button on the remote or projector, adjust horizontal and vertical keystone to strengthen the image. An extreme keystone angle can reduce clarity, just so you know. Set proper resolution. On your source device, for example laptop or media player, make sure the resolution matches the projector native resolution. Incorrect resolution can cause blurry or pixelated images, just so you know. You can also check for zoom or digital scaling. So make sure digital zoom or scaling isn't active. This can lower sharpness. So set zoom level back to 1.0x for best clarity. Try a different source or cable. Test another HDMI cable or input source, like a different laptop for example, to rule out signal issues. A poor video signal can appear blurry. We can also reset it to factory defaults, and this is optional. So go to projectors menu, then click on reset all settings. This can clear any misapplied adjustments affecting sharpness. But hopefully this will be able to fix this for you.